Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am playing Natural Disaster Survival, and I think it will, Sky Tower. It's just starting a new round that I'm happy I joined at this time. I have a green balloon, and I don't know what disaster is going to be. It's usually a flood or a tornado. If it's a tornado, you must get down to the first floor of this building. Looks like it's gonna be a flood, because that's the use on this map. Flood, use, tornado, not use. So I can tell that there's clouds. It may be a tornado, but it's okay. There's a lot of people on the game. Oh no, it's a tornado. Coming for me. Oh, my balloon. Died. Well, it's a tornado right now, currently, but my sister, Olivia, she's idle on Speedrun 4. She just made a video of Speedrun 4, and she's publishing it to YouTube. It won't be that long until it's free to YouTube, so please go watch that video. And so, this is a video, I just made a video last night. That was amazing. Last night I made a video. It was still publishing to YouTube this morning, but I made it last night, and go watch it. And I had a very dim voice in there. I know that I had that, but it's okay. This is my private channel, Madeline. I'm Madeline. So if you, just in case you didn't know who was talking, Madeline. So, yeah. Well, I'm going to the pool. Sorry, I have to cut this video short because I'm just sorry. I'm just sorry. I have to cut this video short. Here are the survivors of this round. But that's all I can show. Bye, guys. See ya. We're going to the pool. Probably make another video after. Bye, guys. See ya. Woo! Peace. Bye.